Where I was talking to the lady and my foot went through.
Yeah,
Look. Look.
This has a,
you see? The joists are fine. All the joists are fine, but I stopped when I got to here.
Yes.
And I didn't want to continue anymore without any approval because of a certain amount of damage. That there is where my foot went through when I was talking. All that collapsed underneath, all this collapsed underneath my weight when I was walking on it. It's continuing. Now you can see it's actually continuing to here, look. Watch. It's not, none of this is good. Just to give you an idea of how bad this is, James. Yeah, you ready? You see? That's me just putting my foot down, stamping my foot, watch. It's bad. So we've basically done about, I would say, 40% of the room, taken it off so far. Obviously, that's no good. We don't know how bad it is going along there.